In the land of digital gold, TA with T.I. Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, network the mission. Bulls and bears, we ride the wave. Trading crypto, feeling brave. In this game, you gotta save. Stack it up and then behave. Technical analysis with trade intuition.
All right, let's do this, guys. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money with Piper Academy. Of course, this is the Trading Academy portion of the Piper Academy network. We have a whole bunch of channels, guys, a whole bunch of channels that are coming into one, which is now the Piper Academy network. And it's a great feeling to be a part of this community. And I'm so happy to be here. Make sure my audio is working. Very nice. All right, so we do have the best mod in the industry, really. And of course, that is Alexandra G. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for everybody being here. Thank you so much, Dylan. Appreciate the kind words. Appreciate it greatly. What we're going to do is we're going to look at Bitcoin, and we're going to look at the market in general. Now, one thing that I absolutely love is that every mentor that you have, every person that you're watching on YouTube or anywhere else, they hopefully have different ways of trading, different thought process, because it's really boring if one person you hear says the exact same thing as the previous person says the exact same as the previous. That's boring. So in my opinion, it's really good to get a mixture of what people are doing. And that way you can use your own, thought process and say, you know what, last time I remember this and this worked. I think this might happen, because of so-and-so said this, and this other one also agreed with them. Now, it's okay to have different opinions. For example, I may say something, it's like, yeah, I think it might do this. And you might say, oh no, I think it might do this because of this. You know what? I didn't think of that. And you may be right. Let's see. Not so much you're right, I'm wrong, but yours has a higher probability of playing out. That's what I absolutely love. All right, guys. So definitely smash the likes. I do appreciate that greatly. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase all this stuff. But before I do so, I want to show, of course, this was our zone. And this is all you have to do, guys. So right now, Bitcoin was running the show in reference to Bitcoin goes up, alts go up. Bitcoin goes down, alts go down. Right now, there's a different variable. There's a different variable that's out there. Bitcoin has gone up. The alts have gone up. Bitcoin is coming down. And normally, Bitcoin goes down 10%. Alts go down 20, 30%. But right now, things are different, which I'm sure you've noticed, where Bitcoin's coming down. And what's happening? Well, people who bought down here, they're selling. Now, because they're in nice profits, they're getting those gains and putting it into alts. And that's why when Bitcoin is going down, your altcoin may come down a little bit, maybe 2-4% versus 12-14%. So that's the huge difference. Of course, we have trend lines, we have support resistance. Not only that, but I absolutely love that Piper Academy allows us as individual mentors show you our thought process, and it's not only one way. I have different ways of trading versus other traders, and in my opinion, that's a strength that you're here because you're able to watch all of these on one network. So hey, look at that, Retro Mike with the gifted memberships. Thank you, Retro Mike. Man, you're a beast, dude. I appreciate you greatly. Let's see here, we have Harp in the house. Thank you so much for being here. We have Randy. What's up, Randy? What is up? See here, Harp says, hey, Alexander, the everywhere, every time mod queen. Yes, indeed. If you have the emoji for the mod queen, definitely throw that up in the chat. Let's get this chat very hyped, because she is literally, everybody would say it, in the beginning, the hardest working, mod queen. Granted, I've heard it a few times, different other people, and then I saw it. And everywhere I was going, man, she has, the admin status, and not only that, but she's a great mod, great mod. So yeah, definitely throw that up in the chat. All right, so for here, let's see here. We were seeing the price, came up. We got rejected on our level, started coming down, breaking through like below this, and of course, I was in a short because I thought that this was just going to be a short-term thing, and then possibly come up, maybe fake out everybody. And this is my biggest thing is, I'm thinking the market makers are going to fake everybody out. However, when the price came down here, I wanted to see a retracement to here, bearish retest, come down. Then once it crosses this level, money in reference to shorts. Now, granted, did I post shorts in my group? So there's a Telegram group. That's my Telegram group for my channel. And then, of course, there's a Discord for Piper Academy. Now, I will be posting charts in the Piper Academy as well. Of course, we have a whole bunch of admins, very successful traders that are posting charts in the Discord. Now, me personally, I usually only use Discord because of Piper Academy, but I strongly recommend, getting memberships, getting mentorship from as many people as your money allows you to. Invest in yourself before you invest in the market. Plain and simple. If you think you're gonna, dominate this market with no mentorship, you'll learn. I did. Ooh, man, that was expensive. It was expensive. All right. See here. Now, did I post any shorts in my VIP? Nope, sure didn't. Because I was thinking, okay, and this is when I actually did a few thought process videos and everything. I said, okay, maybe it might come up, and if it does, our shorts are going to get liquidated or stopped out. Sure enough, came up. Then it got rejected on this area. Now started coming down. Now, this is very easy to see in hindsight. Very easy. But when you're in the moment, you have to go in a lower time frame and then you just do it level by level. And this is pretty much how I'm trading this right now. Now, I'm actually in a short right now. I was shorting it here, then I was longing it here, then I was shorting it here. I've been stopped out like 2 or 3 times, but the amount that I've lost is nothing to what I've gained. So just to let you know, let's like if on the I was trading on the 5-minute. So on the 5-minute time frame, it's just level by level. Now, of course, I did another video for my VIP where, I'm showing them walking through them, the steps and everything as far as when to enter, when to exit, shorts. And right now, here's our new level. Here's our new level. So once it crosses above this, watch out for a reversal. Now, I'm on the 5-minute time frame. Now, granted, the lower the time frame, the higher possibility of a false move. So here, price is coming down. This is, for one, amazing that they go to these certain areas. But here it stopped right here, came up, and this is another deciding factor. Are we going to break underneath this? If so, we can short this coin. Now, it's not wise to short alts based off of Bitcoin, not at the moment. And the reason being is what I explained earlier in reference to they're not hyper reactive to Bitcoin. Just a few days ago, a week ago, they were very hyper reactive. Bitcoin started going down, alts went down. Bitcoin started going up, alts went up. Now Bitcoin's going down, alts come down. Barely anything, and they were very hypersensitive. Now, they don't care. Early on the show, one of the YouTube, when I was doing my YouTube channel, they were saying, check out INJ. INJ doesn't care about Bitcoin. INJ looks great. I like to see a retracement and continuation up. But this one, in my opinion, looks really, really good. We got BC Corp in the house. What's up, my friend? What is up? So happy everybody's here. You guys are the best. We got Randy. Thank you so much for being here. Of course, thank you guys for smashing the like. You guys, y'all know the routine, and you guys just absolutely kill it. We have Ian in the house. What's up, Ian? Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you for being here. Let's see here. I need more light in here. I noticed that the later I do a stream, there's less light, ambient light that comes in. But I have studio lights, but those things are hot. I should use them. They were very expensive. The bulbs are literally like this long, and they're, coiled. It's about that long. And, but it just makes it really hot. Really hot. Okay, going down the list. BC Corp says, if you have time, can you look at INJ? It's been, yeah. Matter of fact, that was given earlier. Yeah, we'll check that one out. We will definitely check that one out. Let me get my notepad. Now, one thing that I strongly recommend everybody do, and I mentioned this a few times, but have a notepad. Have a notepad, have a pen, and whenever you're watching channels, like, matter of fact, this morning on Piper Academy, the morning stream, 9:30 a.m., there was so much alpha in there. I was just kind of taking it in, but there was so much, and normally I have my notepad with me, but I had it on my other desk. And anyway, I need to rewatch it. I need to rewatch it and take notes, because there's a lot of great information. But yes, we will definitely check out INJ. Let's see here. I don't think there was any other requests prior to that one. Going down the list, looking for any kind of request. I don't see. Let's see here. Moho says, you ain't lying. My shorts and longs in the red. Yeah. So one thing that I do is I pretty much do like a voice of reasoning, and sometimes you need it. Sometimes you might feel like, oh man, Bitcoin's coming down. I'm going to short, other coins. I'm going to short other, because that's what's been working. It's worked in the past. Why wouldn't it work now? Well, now there's a different variable. The different variable is, well, we're at all-time highs. People have made a lot of money. Now, when they take their money out of Bitcoin, causing it to come down, they're putting it into alts that are their favorite alts, that they know that are going to do, fairly well. Whether it's short-term, mid-term, long-term, whatever their plan is, they're injecting money into the altcoin. So your plan before, oh, Bitcoin's coming down, I'm going to short my coin. Not anymore. So we always have to be adjusting to the market. And that's one thing that I'm always doing. Like, it's working, then it doesn't work. Like, oh, okay, it's expected, we're going to lose. Then it doesn't work. All right, maybe just the market turned. Okay. Then it doesn't work. I was like, whoa, wait a minute. This doesn't look right. This doesn't feel right. Yes, we can lose, but like so many, so fast, back to back, three in a, no. Let's step back. Let's reevaluate what the market's doing. Is there something going on that we don't know about? Maybe it's something larger scale, maybe something on the other side of the world, and maybe a report came out or something's happening. I was like, oh, okay. Before, alts used to react this way to Bitcoin. Now it's not, because now Bitcoin has made a lot of people a lot of money, and now they're putting that money into the alt, so they're not reacting as much. Got it. So now when you see X happening, you know what to do with Y. All right, moving on. Let's see here. I see you, Dylan. I'm going to get to that in just a moment. Let's go over here. Okay, very good. BC Corp, a great stream in the morning. Yes, a BC Corp does a stream in the morning, and of course, all the shows are up top. And you ain't kidding. Piper Academy Network, no joke. So, definitely check us out throughout the entire day. We got something for you. But let's see here. Just call me Al. What's going on, man? What is going on? So happy you guys are here. Let's go, T.I. Joe. You got it, man. You got it. Can we charge Jupe? I love Jupe. I really do. I'm actually waiting for Jupe and Radium. Let's see here for a midterm hold. Okay, very nice info, midterm. So that does help me with my thought process as far as not just a regular swing trade. BC Corp says, Trade Intuition, I've got one other request. Come on, GMC. I'm assuming that is a stock. Let me know. I don't know what GMC is. I know what MC is. I think there's MC from XC. Let's see here. We got Lunar Beaches in the house. Put up some waves, guys. Put up some waves and some bingo bangles if you got them. But definitely waves for a Lunar Beach. Absolutely killing it on the later stream. You know, markets after dark. Here, INJ been hot ticket. I mentioned it on your show now because local time. Yeah. Yeah, and that's what I love. I love doing these shows, and I love seeing what you're looking at, because I'm looking at so many coins. I'm, you know, with my group and DMs and just life in general. I love the part where when people are showing me different coins, and we're looking at, oh, this is not ready. This is not ready. Oh man, this one is ready. I wasn't even looking at this. This wasn't even on my radar, and now we all make money. Good. Reconnected successfully. Let me know if you guys are here. Let me know if we are still streaming, because I don't know if we are still streaming. So here, going down the list. So let me know if we are still streaming. Crypto County says smashed likes if you like T.I. Joe and the Piper Show. See here. You look like you're all good now. Okay, good. Yeah, all of a sudden everything's great, and then I got some error messages. All right. So moving down the list, we do have a few that we are looking at so far. We got Buck in the house. What's up, Buck? Appreciate you, man. And of course, we got Army Piper. This is healthy, normal Bitcoin moves. Yeah, it is. I mean, it's expected. Oh, let me close my short. Where is my... Oh, it closed. My stop loss got hit. Okay, good. Having a nice tight stop loss. It really does work. All right. Let's see here. Going down the list. Username says Tradester Joe. Don't worry. Username has made it. Oof, man. Not gonna lie. I was gonna wait for you. I was like, hey, man, if we got 8 minutes, it's username, you know. We gotta wait. All right. Let's see here, going down the list. So yes, guys, definitely thank you so much. No, GMC is Good Morning Crypto. Oh, Good Morning Crypto. I'm an old man. You can tell me abbreviations, acronyms, I'll forget. I don't forget how to make money though, and how to chart, because charting makes me money. I love making money. Let's see here. BC Corp says no. My show. Oh, okay. See, Piper checking in to make sure you're probably. And also probably smash the like. Here, going down the list, checking. Everything looks great. You guys are absolutely killing it in the chat. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, username says, not to worry, Joe. I'm here and I fixed it for you. You're all good. All lights are green. Thank you, username. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Good to go. Awesome. All right, so we are caught up with the chat. So now, see here, INJ, holding good. All right, T.I. Joe needs to get mad on the charts with me. Dude, let me know. I'm available, man. I'm available. Let me know. I think it'd be pretty cool. See here, very good. Joe, you think we could go to 97 for lower continuation? Okay. We will answer that question right now. INJ is a protected asset under nice. See, what do I do? Oh yeah, and of course, this is never financial advice. Nothing on this channel or this network, the Piper Academy Network, is financial advice. And never. If you're taking financial advice from somebody on the internet, not good. Not good. In my opinion. Of course, that's just my opinion. All right. So do I think that we can come down to, whoa, wait, come down to what? Let's see here. Oh, can we go to 97 for lower continuation? Yeah. So what we want to do is let's go ahead. I'm going to delete everything. So goodbye 100 and, okay, maybe not. 190 drawings. Maybe I won't delete everything. Maybe I'll just make a separate, you know what? Get out of here, drawings. Make sure it's not a, get out of here, drawings. Okay, now we're starting fresh. Now what I like to do is I like to, one, start fresh, and two, just kind of zoom out, look at all this from a different perspective, give you a different mindset. Now, granted, I would recommend creating a folder, hiding it. I had too many folders already. And I'll do this, you know, maybe once a week, just, you know, deleting them all. So what I like doing is having my magnet tool on. And then, can y'all see this down here? Nope. So, how far can y'all see? Yeah, you can see it right there. Okay. Let's see here. So, I'm going to do my ray tool. Let's see, naked charts. Oh, yes. So, from here to here, here's one level. I want to do from here to here. Here's another level. And I like, the more touches you have, the better. And this is on the weekly time frame. And so with trend lines, there's different ways of doing trend lines. There's really not a wrong way, in my opinion. The more touches you have, the better it is. Now, there's like macro trend lines and there's micro trend lines. So bigger time frames, smaller time frames. So this is like internal structure. This is external structure. Bigger picture, smaller picture. Now, what I like to do is I might do one from here to here, but I'll put this as a dotted line. And this just tells me that this is an internal level versus an external level. So I have these right here. Could we do some more? We can have lines all over the place. So let me do this right here. Let's go from this to this. And you may have different mentors that say only do it one way. In my opinion, as long as you have multiple touches, it's good, in my opinion. Now, granted, the macro is much stronger and, in my opinion, better than the internal structure. So to me, this holds more weight. Hence the solid line versus a weaker one. It's still good, but that's why it's dotted. I mean, dashed. And then this one right here. What else? Let's do another one right here. You can just go crazy. Go crazy. And one thing that I love is there's times where I'll do this and like a year or two go by, and then sure enough, way over here, you'll see that it's getting respected off of those lines. It's crazy. Absolutely nuts. What else? Let's do one more. Let's do one more right here. I would like more of a pivot. So what I want to do is I want to get one going up. Maybe this one? Here. No, I think right now I'm forcing it. Okay, no, I don't like that one. So again, the more touches you have, the better it is. So these are my turn lines. And then, so what I'm going to do is I am just going to kind of clean this up just a little bit. And you could rename it if you want, but I'm not. Okay. So that's going to be for later. So now what else? I want to do I want to get levels up top. So the easiest way to do that is use your fib extension. Magnet tool's on. I'm going to go from the lowest spot prior to the move up to the highest spot to the lowest spot. So this is going to give me levels up top. And of course, for my levels, pretty basic, you know, 0.5, 618, 272. Let's see here, 786. I love the 786. I don't have the 786 here though. I think maybe it was just too much. Let's see, 786. No, I like it. I love the 786. There's also a 787, 778. I forget, but that's also a number that I use from time to time. It's on one of my other templates. Okay, let's see here. Let's see here. A bunch of chats. Let's see here. Going down the list of the chats. Let's see here. Going down the list. Yes, definitely guys, subscribe to the channel. Smash the like. Hopefully y'all are liking this thought process. See, as soon as someone says it's not financial advice, it becomes financial advice. It's just like not, oh yeah. Don't push the red button. Why? What's going to happen? Just don't push it. Why? Just don't push it. Gotta push it. See what happens. Username says, I don't make the rules. Let's see here. Joe says, start fresh. I say, let's get naked. Yes, indeed. See, going down the list, making it really quick. Very good. Yeah, and join the Discord. The Discord is where the Piper Academy hangs out. A lot of great people in there. There's also a username, you know, but then there's also great people in there. So just kind of give you a heads up. It's a great community. And of course, username spices things up. So here, going to the list. I think everything is great. Just kind of skimming through this really quick. We got Alex O Crypto in the house. What's up, my friend? What is up? I saw your stream earlier today. I'm not sure if you did 2 of them. Yeah, you did 2. But I saw your earlier one. Killing it. Let's see here. All right, going down the list. All right. So here, just kind of, you know, going, making some lines, getting some trend lines, seeing what we see. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's go to the daily. What do we see on the daily? Now, what I like looking for and identifying is fair value gaps. Where can the price potentially go to? Well, we have an area right here. So candle 1, we have the top of the candle wick to candle 2. Then it goes to candle 3, the bottom of the wick. This would be your daily fair value gap. And then let's go ahead and adjust this due to the update. I'm guessing it was an update, but all this has to change now. Go here. There we go. So this is an area that may be an area of interest. And of course, that if you were to do on a higher time frame, you'll see that all this is a fair value gap too, because it just goes straight up. This is also a low volume node. For, you know, some people, they want to put on this. I don't like this one personally. It's the visible range volume profile. The reason I don't like it, because our point of control is down here. However, if you move this, well, your point of control changes. I don't like that. I actually prefer the fixed vol. Let's go and delete this one, because if not, it'll mess me up. But it's actually down here, and it's called the fixed range volume profile. And then what you could do is you can go wherever you want to start. Whether you want to start from here, the beginning of the move, you can go from here, go all the way to the end. It gives you the point of control down here, and then this, you know, this tells you, okay, well, more than likely, if it does come down, hopefully it doesn't come down. I don't think it'll come down this low though. This is way down 63. Let me know in the chat, how low do you think the price will go? But that's also a loaded question too, because like what time frame? A month? A week? For me, I'm really hoping that it doesn't cross this this golden pocket, which was this area right here for the all-time high previously that we were trying so desperately to break. And let's go ahead and I do want to label this one for sure. So this one is our all-time high. Well, this was an all-time high. So all-time high. And of course I can see the date because it's right there. This was March 14. So let's see, March 14, 2024. And then this one I would put to the right, and this I would put there. So for me, this is an area that I really hope it doesn't cross. Let me go and get rid of this. I was just trying to show you that. But I really hope it doesn't cross this level. And this would be the golden pocket area. If it comes down, again, this is from the internal structure we used from the last bull run. If it does come down here, hopefully it gets to the fair value gap. And then the lowest, I'm hoping maybe 80, which is amazing because just a few, weeks ago, we were saying, this 80. So it's just weird saying that number when we've been saying the other numbers for so long. We do have, this is the area that we really need to stay above. I mean, we have a lot of support underneath it, but this is the area that if we break below this, the market will come down like really fast, really hard. All right, see here. Let's see here. What else can we do on this one? It's coming down right now. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame. Let's just kind of see what we're looking at. So of course it took up all this liquidity, which is much easier to see after the fact. And I love, you know, saying that because it's so true. It's really easy to do TA after it already happened versus when you're in it. Right now, we are in this, we're in this little zone. But I mean, to me, it's pretty weak. This zone is pretty weak. From here to here. So, you know, we had support here, we had resistance here, came down, a little bit more support, finally broke out. The market's doing a pretty good job. You know, it's coming down, it's taking up some of this liquidity as it's coming down, it's eating some of this up. Excuse me. We do have a fair value gap up here, and also a order block. But we'll just do this one. So this right here is our 4-hour fair value gap, and then of course same thing. This we have to adjust it. Dang it! I'll just do it like this. See here, Crypto Pollo in the house. What's up, my friend? What is up? So happy you guys are here. Very nice. All right, so here I would look for a bounce. Oh, indicators. So there's no divergence. We're pretty low on the RSI. Let's see here. I still didn't do. This is my my indicators that when I have them on, this is what I have. This, of course, chart prime. We do have the sell indicator that came up. You know, it's right under. It's still above this, but I do think, and you know, the price action can come in here, and then of course get to this fair value gap before possibly going up. We have the 5-minute, 15, 60 in the bearish, but then the larger time frames are bullish at the moment. So we could see potentially. I don't think it'll come down here. Well, it just depends on the money flow. It really does. Right now, this, you know, it is coming down. We haven't had the curve up yet, which more than likely might happen after it reaches this area. We'll see. But let's go to the regular clear one. Okay. This one's a little bit easier. The other one I have it to where it's all those all at once. Let's see here. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Now, the 1 hour, it looks like it might want to try to bounce up, just because we're on one of our levels. I still don't see any like true strength. We have our high, lower high, lower high, low, lower low on the 1 hour time frame. In order for me to start potentially getting bullish on this, it would have to cross, of course, this level and then this level. So really just this level needs to cross this level in order for us to start getting bullish. Just on the 1 hour time frame, it would do this. By the time it does this, the 9 SMA will be underneath it. The 50 will start coming up underneath it. So the 9 is my white, my 50 is my red, my 200 is my yellow. Then the 50 would be underneath it by then, and then as it breaks this, more than likely it will hopefully go above the 200. And then now this is our area that we really need to watch for. This right here, this is our 4 hour fair value gap. You know, is it going to come up here and come down, or is it going to continue up? But right now it's not looking strong. This is my bullish case scenario. Not looking strong. Now, so of course, plan A, plan B. Now, if the price action does come up and then not break this level and instead comes down, creates another lower low, well, then now we're just going to continue this until it stops, until it finds support. I mean, this is a little bit of support right here. I was going to say, if it was the weekend, you know, we have a much higher probability of it maybe coming down here, but maybe the bulls are going to come in. Maybe buyers are going to start coming in and start coming up. Let's see. Let's see here, going down the list. There's too much to look at, but if there was something directed to me, put your question or comment and then like a bunch of bingo bangles, so I know it's directed to me. All right, so let's go ahead and let's look at that's not. So let's look at INJ on fire. I absolutely love this. On the daily time frame, you can see that was in this is a whole bunch of accumulation, but this is the top portion of the accumulation. It did break out, it retested. Oh, it's kind of an ugly retest, but it didn't come back down into this, so we'll just say it like that. Right now it is underneath this resistance. So for me personally, if you're not doing leverage and this is just a regular spot trade, I would definitely have an alert up here. Then your 4-hour candle has to close above this level for entry. Very nice accumulation. This was for 100 and something days, I believe. So for me, I'll have my accumulation starting from here to here. Holy moly. When this one moves, guys, I think it's gonna go. Man, I think it's gonna go to the moon, to the absolute moon. Not financial advice. At least, shoot. You just guesstimate. Boom. Now what you could do, same thing, fib retracement, fib extension, magnet tool, low to high to low, a bingo and a bango just underneath the 0.5. Bingo bango. And that's your first target. This long-term hold though. I think it's going to do great. Let's see here. BC Corp says, INJ is my favorite alt for a reason. I don't know much about INJ. I do know that it makes me money though. I forget what it is. It's an oldie but goodie. But let's go to the next one. Jupiter. So let's do this. Put this on the watch list for YouTube Rapid Fire. And then now let's go to Jupiter. I do love Jupiter. Jupiter and Ray are the two top dexes on Solana. Solana's going to kill it. The dexes are going to kill it that are on Solana. Right now it is coming down. I was actually watching it. It's coming down pretty nicely. Let's go ahead and do a trend line. It's on the weekly. So again, just larger time frame. Let's do a trend line here too. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. Okay. So on the daily time frame, let's see what nice. I mean, I like it. Okay, daily time frame, what do we see? Of course, downtrend. Possible changing of trend. Starting to create a slightly higher high. So starting to change the trend possibly. Now we confirm, well, now we change the trend. Now we're creating higher highs, higher lows. So this was a transition. Downtrend, transition phase, and now starting to come up. Higher highs, higher lows. I do like this one. We may possibly go a little bit lower to here, but what's the difference on that? Is it 4% difference? Is it 20% difference? I'm going to say 4. Ooh, 8. So, in my opinion, so with this one, midterm hold, and thank you for that information. With this midterm hold thought process, for me personally, let's see, long-term hold. For that, I generally have a lower threshold on my stop loss, if I even have a stop loss. Because midterm hold, for me personally, everybody has different definitions, but I'm looking at 6 months, 8 months. That's my definition. you know, it always changes, but about 6-8 months. So I know price may come down 20% or so. And if it does, I'm ready to add more to the trade. So for here, it's coming down pretty nicely. For me, not financial advice. Username, not financial advice. What I would do is let's say I had $100 right now. Or 1,000, 10,000, whatever you do, just simple math, $100. I would do 1/3 right now. I would have 1/3 down here, right at this level. And then 1/3 down here at this level. So it's kind of like doing a short. It's kind of like, well, this is how we take profit by going up, but this is scaling to the trade. So I'd have 1/3 here, 1/3 here, 1/3 here. If the price does go up, you know, you're in this long term or midterm. So as it comes up, it's going to come down. It comes down, it resets, it starts coming up again. Well, you get your lowest one and you put it up here. The middle one, you leave it there just in case there's a dump, 20-30% dump really quick. Well, it's crazy wick. Well, guess what? You have this down here. It comes down and it comes right back up within a few minutes. You just got lucky. And well, yeah, I'll call it luck. And then now you're in 100%. And right away, you're in the profit. And of course, it goes up. So that's what I would do. I'd have these three. Nice thought process on that. Let's see here. We got about 10 more minutes, guys. 10 more minutes. Now let's go ahead and catch up on the chat if I can. Let's see here, guys. Hopefully you're enjoying the show, guys. Hopefully you're enjoying the show. And again, it's a different thought process than what you might be used to. And again, I do this every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Of course, I'm on Crypto Coin Mindset on Mondays at 10. So yesterday was pretty busy. And of course, I have my group, my Telegram group. 10 o'clock stream, 12 o'clock stream, 4 o'clock stream. And I think I did an evening stream too. Yeah. Yeah, for me, I definitely love helping people making money. Let's see here. Push all the buttons as soon as you see them. You guys are nuts. Let's see here. Going down the list. Going down the list. Right. See here. Lunar Beaches says, if you're a day trader, pass on the FRVP and the VRVP and slap on the session VP. I heard about that. I don't know if it was on your channel. And the session, that's an actual indicator, right? Or is it over here? Is there a session? So I do love the anchored VWAP. I love this one. But yeah, that sessions volume profile, I think I actually have that as a favorite on my indicators. Sessions volume. I guess it's this one that I use. I don't know if Chart Prime has one, but yeah, I have that as well. Let's see here. Very great, man. That's really good. Real time volume profile for each session. Yeah, that to me that's very important. Let me know, which one do you use, Lunar Beaches, for your sessions volume profile. I would really like to know that. See here. Here, OU is better. Still a visual overrated team. Don't bother me as much. Okay. See here. Not heard of that one. Just the one on TradingView. Yeah. Yeah, I've heard of that sessions one, and I've used it before, but I don't know if yours is different. It's an indicator. Go to indicators, type in session volume profile. I know, but which one, my friend? I just did that. Oh wait, it's you're delayed. But which one though? There's a lot of them. So we do session volume profile. Oh, it's by Trading View. This is one of their indicators. So whenever there's no name here, it's from Trading View. And this one right here, it's HD. For some reason, the people who do talk about this, they don't like the HD for whatever reason. I forgot what the reason was, but I just know don't use this one. Use this one. You might say, oh, HD, high definition, get it. No, don't do it. I forgot why they don't use it, but use this one. Session volume profile. This one is better. And then here's the PLC. These are my settings that I already have on this one. So yours may be different. But yeah, I do like this one. And then of course, when you're on the 4-hour time frame, you know, you can see the previous TradingView premium version. Oh, you need premium. I don't know what the levels are, but I mean, I have it. I know there's 3 levels, but is premium the second level? No, it doesn't sound right. I guess the premiums are the bigger one. Anyway, let's see here. But yes, great info on that, man. Great info. Let's see here, going on the list. Let's see here. It is a premium trading. Thank you. You're the best. Okay. Here. Harp to me. Philly is expensive. Here. I'm still waiting for DDT to tell me what memes. Then quit his job because username knows that DDT always does financial advice. See here. Get Lux Algo. I had it. Then I tried the Chart Prime, and my expiration for Lux Algo is coming up, and I know I'm keeping Chart Prime for sure, but Chart Prime has a bunch of not only free ones, but their paid one is pretty spot on. But try the free ones. Just go here, type in Chart Prime. It's just one word, Chart Prime. And of course, the ones with the locks, those are the paid ones. But they have a lot of them. Like this is my man. I love this one. I absolutely love that one. They have a lot of liquidations. They have swing ranges. They have Liquidity Hunter. They have just heat map screener. Get out of here! And they're always making different ones. These are all free. So yeah, check them out. All right, going down the list. See here, INJ to overtake a Bitcoin. Possible. Things I took the peanut trade. See, Frankie called out yesterday. 50-minute range is cake. Let's look at that one. That one I am also looking at. Peanut 30% yesterday. Maybe this, I don't know. But yeah, I've been watching this one. My alert went off actually here, and I put it in the group. I said, hey guys, don't chase these candles. They're gonna go up. I think I had on the 1 hour time frame. I said, don't chase these. Yeah, it's right here. I was gonna do a screenshot for you, but my alert went off. So it's just level by level, literally level by level. I think somebody in here mentioned that Joe trades level by level, and I do. Like, you have to have the overall trend, and then on top of that, like level by level. Like this is the highest point in this range. Once it breaks this level, 4 hour candle or 1 hour, in this case, possibly the 1 hour, just due to how quick it can move. What I would do is, for this one, since it moves so much, I told the group, hey guys, the alert went off. It's a pretty good big move. Look at this. From the bottom to the top, it moved up 18% from doing nothing. 1%, 1%, 1%, and then 18%. That's pretty huge. And the candle is like, nope. I said, we're not going to FOMO. We're going to wait because it's probably going to come back down here, then come back up. And this right here is our liquidity range. This is our selling pressure range. See all these wicks? So what I said was, okay, we just wait. And could it go up more? Yep, sure could. And sure enough, I set another alert higher. I set my alert above this one. Sure enough, I set another alert. The alert went off. And then I FJ'd the group again. I said, look, guys, it went up again. Could it go up another 40%? Yeah. But guess what? We don't chase. Never chase. Wait for the trades to come to you. Here, let's say we FOMO'd in. Man, it's going to the moon. It's going to go to $2. Everybody's talking about it. All these YouTubers and whoever's talking about it. You enter the trade, and they were waiting for you. Literally, they were waiting for you. They said, is it going to enter yet? Not yet. Wait. Now, wait. Now, wait. Oh, here he comes. And he's going to buy it, sell. And everybody sells. And then what happens? Because they waited for you. Literally, they were waiting for you. Comes down as soon as you buy it. And then now you're like down 20%. You're like, oh crap, man. I didn't have time to put my stop loss. 30%. Man, I don't want to lose 30%. I'll just hold it. 50%. Oh crap. There's no way I can sell it. 50%. 70%. I just let it ride to zero. 80%. Yeah, I got wrecked. Then it goes up. Hey, all right, good. Here we go. Going to the moon. Let's go. And then come down again. And now you're like, man, that's the emotional roller coaster that you go through. At least I did. Let's see here. Pollo says, Joe, my peanut entry was at 1.0. Oh, yeah, man. Let's see here. Yeah, you're doing pretty nice. Let's go 15-minute time frame. Let's see what we see. See 105.7. That's a pretty. So if you entered here, oh no, you said yesterday. I don't know when you said, but so this right here, in my opinion, very dangerous. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. It did break this level. We had another one up here. To me, it's higher risk, but I like it though, because you can have your tight stop loss. You can have pretty decent leverage, and I like it. Nice entry. Let's see here. Going on the list. Crypto Pollo says, I took the trade today, Joe. Yeah, it's a nice one. Now, of course, for me personally, I would move up my stop loss down here. So I'm in profit. I secure profit. If it comes down, hits it, great. And if it starts coming up, I just re-enter once it breaks this level by level. And so for me, I literally break it down like that simple. But of course, I have to know the bigger picture. The bigger picture is we had this huge run up. We came down. It looks like it's finding support. Longer term, it should hopefully, it can do whatever it wants, but hopefully go up. And I can be scalping or having that scalp turn into a longer term trade for it to continue going up. I think it's great. Let's see here, going on the list. Clay the Great's in the house. What's up, Clay the Great? So happy you guys are here. Definitely thank you guys so much for smashing the like. You guys are the best. We went over a few of them. INJ, Jupiter, talked about some peanut, went over Bitcoin in the very beginning in reference to, just clearing your chart, trying to get a non-biased opinion on what you think might happen. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. All we have is probabilities of what might happen. And of course, on my channel, I won't do it here, but on my channel, I talk about a lot of people, just doing certain things. So this one, it's no drama here. But on my channel, tune in every day, 12 p.m. You see what I do. And here it's kind of like I gotta be careful. But on my channel, it gets a little crazy. All right, moving on. All right, let's see here. Ada's 30% on the weekly. Yeah, Ada's killing it, still killing it. I thought I was gonna retrace, not doing it. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. We are at the hour time frame. I thought it was great. I had a great time with you guys. You guys were just killing the chat. Do me a favor, put the mod queen emoji for the absolute best mod queen in crypto, period. Put that in the chat. I just want to say, you know, special thanks to all the mods out there, but of course to Alexander G. Very good. BC Corp says, talk all the smack, Joe. You're here for it. Yeah. No, because I talk smack. I talk some smack. Let's see here. Thanks, Joe. Peace, homie. Yeah, man. Thank you, Alex, for jumping on in. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys so much. All right, guys, that's it for me. I do thank you very much. Let's see here. What is the name of your channel, please? Yeah, it's Alexander G just posted it, but it's Trade Intuition. So it's Trade-Intuition. And yeah, we have a good time there. It's 12 o'clock, Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time, 12 p.m. And then sometimes I do random streams, like either early in the morning or late in the evening. It's just whenever I feel like it, you know, just want to have some fun, you know, get some leverage trades in. So that'll be pretty cool. All right, that's all I got, guys. I do thank you so much. And until tomorrow, as always, make sure to join and watch all of the shows that we have here on the Piper Academy Network. This is, of course, the teaching part of it. And I do thank you guys so much. We'll see you tomorrow or later on today. Take care. As always, let's make this money. Take care. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. This is my end screen. Let's use this other end screen. 1 second. And let's turn this down. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We will see you tomorrow or later on today. Take care.
Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, network the mission.